Imagine yourself in this Jeep 2012 Grand Cherokee Laredo. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are Laredo E-Group, PWR liftgate, PWR sunroof, 24X Laredo Customer Preferred Order Selection Package, 3.6L VVT-V6 Flex Fuel Engine, STD, Brilliant Black Crystal Pearl, Black Premium Leather Trimmed Bucket Seats, 6-speed automatic transmission and 17 inches x 8.0 aluminum wheels, STD. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.